All right, what's going on, Tycoon? Super excited for today's video. We're going to be looking at Workhorse. This is Wkhs. And man, I honestly have not looked at this in a long time. Just because, I mean, since last year, okay? Played it a lot last year. We're looking at the 1 year, 1 day, or the daily chart right now. So every candlestick on here represents a day. Okay. So main thing, is this huge gap up to 30. Okay. Workhorse is at like $4 right now. Okay. So if you, if you're a long-term investor and you're bullish on Workhorse and you think that in the next 5 to 10 years, they're still going to be around, still going to be a good company. This is definitely a buy the dip opportunity. Okay. Extreme lows here. All right. We had this big gap down, not big gap down, but gap down to like 10 or 11 when we were up at like 42. Okay. And it fell, all the way back down to there, filled that gap that was from right here. Okay. With no problem. All right. Filled that gap, tried to go up, gapped up again right here, came back down, filled that gap. And it's just been dropping ever since. Okay. It really lost all of its steam after losing that UPS contract. Um, so I'm personally staying away from it, but there's always an opportunity to be made. And small caps have been getting absolutely butchered and hammered. Okay. I mean, they sent this thing from $43 to $5. Okay. Shorts are up big. They're making their money. That's not good enough for them. They're just greedy. They want to keep driving it as low as possible. Okay. But I have a theory that small caps are going to do well in 2022. Okay. They've been absolutely murdered in 2021. And it has just been absolutely bad for them. Okay. Q1 or Q2, I expect to see a nice rotation into these small cap stocks. Okay. So definitely keep an eye out for it. We'll go ahead and look at the support and resistance levels now, the major support and resistance levels I have for this. We'll zoom in maybe on the 1 hour chart. Let's see. No, let's not do that. Let's just go back to the daily. All right. So if you need a tutorial on how to draw support and resistance, I got one in the top right-hand corner of the video. Watch that. It'll really help you out. But for now, I've already drawn them for you, and I'll go ahead and break it down. So currently, we broke our key support level of 5.06. All right. So, we held that support a couple times, and now it is a resistance for us. Our next support level below there is going to be 3.33, and our next support level below 3.33 is going to be 1.24. All right. I don't know how far the shorts are going to send this thing. Okay. And you got to keep an eye on the fundamentals of Workhorse, see if they're going to be sustainable, or if they have a chance of going bankrupt, anything like that. Right. That's stuff that you need to be aware of. But, it's so cheap right now. It's literally dirt cheap right now. Okay. So, these are some major support levels to keep an eye on and maybe add a position to. Okay. If you're bullish on this long term, I wouldn't mind some shares or some leap contracts in these areas between $5 and 124. Okay. Now if you guys are bullish on Workhorse, right, here's what you're going to want to see. You're going to want to see us break 5.06, right? Flip that back into a support level. And this is going to be our first bullish price target, 781. Okay. So, if you're able to get in at $5 or below and it comes up to 781, take some profit there. That's a good, take profit area, right? That's our first bullish price target, right? You don't have to sell your whole position. You don't have to sell any of the position, but this is a price target for me. If I was trading this, that this is where I would take some profit at 781. Okay. Our next major bullish price target is going to be 1155 and then 1617 above that. All right. Now, those are pretty widespread, but this is really all I see Workhorse trading in between in the year 2022. I think it's going to stay between $1 and 16. Okay. I don't know if this thing is going to have a super big rally and recover, okay, from, these lows and have a very nice, recovery process in Q1 or Q22 or Q1 or Q2. And if that happens, we could hit any one of these bullish price targets. And, if not, the bleeding will continue because the downtrend is down. All right. The trend is your friend. So, don't fight the trend. for right now, the trend is down, and just keep an eye on it, and look for it to find some support at any of these levels. All right. So hopefully that made sense for you guys. Thank you guys for watching this video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Really helps me out a lot. And also let me know, a stock you guys want me to look at or analyze for you. Okay. This was a requested ticker. So, feel free to request a ticker in the comment section, and I'll make a video on it as soon as I can.